To change the scrolling mode of your Logitech MX Master 4 is easy. Whether you want to use the free spin option or you'd prefer line by line, this is what you're going to do. You're going to launch the Logi Options Plus app on your computer, and then you're going to select your mouse. Choose the option Point, Scroll, Press, and then select Scroll Wheel. From here, you should see SmartShift. So what you want to do is just ensure it's been disabled. Then you'll be able to manually change between scrolling modes on your MX Master 4. By default, it will be set to Ratchet, which means line by line scrolling. However, if you prefer a faster pace, you can choose free spin, but this is the hyper scrolling option, which means that it scrolls through things quickly and doesn't really allow you enough time to read. But again, it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer to use. Bear in mind, if you decide to choose to use Ratchet, which is again the line by line scrolling, you can choose to increase or decrease the scrolling force as you go along, and you can test out different options until you find one that suits your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.